Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today is the very first tutorial for Java programming. As you know, Java is a very popular and widely used programming language, and it uses for many different purposes like software development, web development, application development, also software testing, and also many different purposes too. As a very first tutorial for Java, I will show you how to create a Java project, then Java package, and also class too. After creating a class, how to run very fast programming in Java, which is hello world. So let's go to the computer screen. I'll show you step by step process.
We will use Eclipse IDE for Java programming. So once you open your Eclipse IDE, then go to File, click New, then Java Project, write your project name. So I'll name it is a Java tutorial. Then click Finish. So I'm not taking this one. Do not create module. Click Do not create. So your Java project is created. Then you will see over there is source file folder. So right click on source folder, then click package, new package. Write your package name. Package name basically it is reverse to the domain name. You can put anywhere. Also it based on your project. So com.test I'm putting over here. Click finish. Once package is created, right click in the package, then click new class. Write your class name. I'll put the class name hello world. Also I'll take main method. In order to run Java class, you need to take main method. So check public static void main method, checkbox over here, then click finish. Your class is created. So you don't need this comment out line, so delete that. So for Java programming purpose, sometimes you need to comment out many different line, single line or multi-line comment out. So in order to do single line comment out, just I am writing hello world, I need to comment out this line. Only / double / it will comment out this line. If you need multi-line comment out, then you have to / asterisk sign, then click enter. You will see the multi-line comment out in this way. This is multi-line comment out. So for Java programming, this is very useful. You need to comment out, or you need to put what you are working on it. Many different purpose. You need to use these two, single line comment out and multi-line comment out. Now let's say type system.out.println. Also you can type SYSO, then control spacebar from your keyboard. It will automatically generate system.out.println. So system.out.println Java method, it will give you whatever you will write within the double quotation, it will print out in the console. So we are writing hello world and run as Java application. It is printed. This is your first program, hello world. We have created successfully package, project, package, then class, and class already run. So this is, I'll show you something like little variable writing, and also how to add two variable. I'll show you that now. So in order to declare a variable, you have to declare the data type. So we declare integer like a, and a is variable and assigned value is 20. So I'm declaring another variable integer b and assigning value 20. So we declare two variables, one is integer a, one is integer b, and already value assigned. Now I will declare another variable which is integer result. So now we'll write result equal to a plus b. Result equal to a plus b, semicolon. Always Java, your end of the line you have to enter semicolon. Again we are writing syso system.out.println. We will print that result in console. Result is, you have to make it within double quotation. Result is plus sign, which means concatenation. Now we'll enter variable over here. This is a result variable. Result. Then click save and run as Java application. Java application. It is hello world printed and also printed result 2020 equal to 40. So this program is working as expected. So let's change the variable value to different value. Let's see how it works. So b variable assign its value is 65. Save it and now run as Java application. It is printed result is 85. That means adding method is working. Declaring variable and we are adding those two variable and which is working. So our first program working as expected.
I believe this video will be helpful those who are new in Java. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.